Lamborghini after this run. This is the Shake and Bake Lambo. It's fast. What's it going to do? 185.49. Now up next, we've got Giddy Monster. He's going to try to take